Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we share with you more ideas to craft a gymnastics set inspired by newest Girl of the Year Lila's collection. See how to transform easily available items and household materials into uneven bars and make a colourful gymnastics mat. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. So let's get making! For the base legs, we cut 2 long pieces of 2 cm square balsa rod. These are recycled from a previous Corinne Tan craft back in 2021. We also have plastic elbow joints from when we made a version of Courtney's 80s bunk bed. For the support poles, we opted to use computer paper and roll our own tubes. For this project, you need to roll 2 short poles, 2 connecting poles, 2 tall poles, and a top and lower bar. Along the way, we will strengthen our paper tubes with chopsticks. Paint your top and lower bars cream to match American Girl's version. Now take 4 elbow pieces and hot glue a chopstick into each opening. Aim to keep your chopstick as long as possible for the first set as seen on screen. Then trim the vertical sticks of your second pair shorter. Paint the elbow joints hot pink to match AG's colour scheme. Insert the long horizontal chopsticks into the corresponding top and lower bar tubes, applying a generous amount of hot glue along the stick and where the paper connects with the plastic. Mark the placement for the side poles on the balsa wood. Ours are positioned 11 cm from each end of the rod. Make a hole at each mark. This was quite easy to do since balsa wood is a very soft material. Widen the hole with another chopstick and mark how deep you push the stick into the wood. Roll 4 smaller paper rings that slide easily over your side poles. Adhere a ring piece over each hole in the base. Connect the legs with bars made from rectangles of 5mm foam board. Place one 10 cm from the front and the other 10 cm from the back. Paint the whole base hot pink. Take your tall and short vertical poles and generously fill the bottom of each tube with hot glue. Slip a chopstick inside each tube, ensuring you stop at the mark you made earlier. Next, measure and mark the placement for your connecting poles. For us, it is 14 cm from the top of the tall pole and 6 cm from the top of the short pole. Create a hole wide enough to secure a length of chopstick, again being very generous with the hot glue. Gently angle the chopstick before the glue cools so your connecting pole will slant on an upward angle like AG's version. Repeat these steps for your second side pole piece. Pop your poles into the ring caps, then affix the lower and top bars with hot glue into the respective paper tubes. Great! The basic structure is complete. It's optional, but to give the paper tubes even more strength, we gave them 2 coats of matte Mod Podge. When dry, the Mod Podge also gives our paper tubes a nice sheen. We got this Halloween placemat on clearance for 50 cents. It has a white foam underside, which is perfect for a doll gymnastics mat. We simply trimmed the long sides so it fits between the legs. Then divided the mat into 3 even sections so we can paint these areas pink, mint, and navy to look similar to Lila's mat from her collection. For added detail, we made a paper stencil of the word gymnastics, positioned it bottom right on the navy section, and traced the letters with a white Posca pen. Over that, we used the same paints to create the ombre effect. There you have it, a simple method to make your dolls their own uneven bars and gymnastics mat. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!